Hello guys, how are you? So welcome to my YouTube channels where I'm just updating and uploading some data science interview steps and some points which are very important for related to data science stream and other software engineering. But specifically, I'm focusing here on the data science part. And as you know, there are a lot of demands happening. There are a lot of boom happening in data science industry, and as you have seen the power of ChatGPT, large language models, computer vision parts, and everywhere data science is just blooming. Because of that, ChatGPT and the latest model like ChatGPT 4, we have got a lot of business use cases. But do you know, just recently Google has launched that Gemini Pro models where they are becoming a multimodal models. So as of now, just a ChatGPT, we are using the text data as input and it's giving the text data as output. But because of those Gemini models and all those, they are taking the input text, not just the text images, but photos or some part of the videos also, and based upon that they will going to give you the output. So it's the multimodal. So it's taking the combination of images, videos, graphs, and based upon that they are giving the output. So there is a lot of competitions and all those, so it's very important to stay updated there, and you have just need to learn all those concepts. Now previously just large language models were using the text embeddings, position encoding, self attention mechanisms, and all those encoder decoder parts. But because of that infusion of that images and videos, we have need to checks for other dimensions also, as there is latestly model came such as lava. The and full form of this is large language models and vision advance. So it utilizes both text data and images data, and in which it's creating the image embeddings for the images also. And those text embeddings and image embeddings are concatenated, and their average is passed to the encoder or decoder layer, and based upon the constructions or instructions from those users, those are also giving the best output. So you have need to learn all those. And every day there are a lot of developments happening, lot of competitions is going there. But if you improve your skills and try to update all those, definitely it's worth, and it's really very very interesting. So I'm going to upload one video where we will create a one awesome demo projects based upon the Streamlit API, where we can get and generate this some computer vision part and that text data part also. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you have any drawback or issue, please try to ask in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.